Alright, so this is our accommodation in the heart of all quarters. Sonata Premier Hotel, it's bang nakalagay dyan. Pero sa Agoda namin na-book. Sonata Central Hotel and Spa. Room tour! Room tour! Let's go!
Ay, kailangan may saksak.
Oops! May dalawang kama. This is for 4 persons. And there's the aircon. Nag-dips dito si Ate Andy kasi may saksakan daw. Experience!
Oh my gosh. Napakatamad maglakad.
So this is outside of our accommodation. This is the old quarter. Paglabas ng hotel, dami ng kainan. Oh my gosh, dami tao! So this is very Hanoi. This is very Vietnam, itong old quarter. May authentic Vietnamese feels dito sa area. Check-in time. Ang ganda po ng location namin, guys. Ng hotel namin. Room 209. Room tour. Room tour. Let's go.
Ay, kailangan may saksak.
Oops. Yes. Ay, ng elevator.
It's for two people. Look.
Ay, oo. Cute. Cute. Uy, ang ganda. Tapos ang mura nito, hindi, yung room. Tapos ano lang to? Oh, tabi tayo Ate Andy. Sige, dito na lang ako. Okay. Dito lang ako. Sige. May saksakan din naman here. Xin Chào. Xin Chào daw yung hello. Xin Chào, guys. I am Dave. And I'm the Kuripo Traveler on Facebook. And for today's video, nandito tayo sa Hanoi, Vietnam! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Old Quarters. So, Old Quarters, quarter or quarters? Basta Old Quarter na lang. Is the most famous, most touristy area here in Hanoi. Okay, so kung kayo mag-book ng accommodation, mag-book na lang kayo sa Old Quarter if you are into tourist spots talaga, a bustling area of the city. So, Old Quarter is the way to go. The way to go is the area to go. And ngayon, syempre, mag-quick room tour tayo. Mura lang to. Magkano ate? Hindi lumabas na ba dyan yung ano?
770. Pero 770,000.
770 dong.
Yeah.
Dong. Okay, 770 dong. Pero I think nasa tig to 2,000 plus lang tayo nito total. Ilang nights ba? I forgot kung ilang nights. So, October 4 check-in namin. Tapos, October 9 yung check-out. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 5 nights. Tama, 5 nights. Tama.
Yeah,
5 nights. Sorry guys, mga taga-UP Mascom po kami. Alright, yeah. Correct. 5 nights. Tapos, nasa tig to 2,000 plus lang kami nito. So, okay na. Good deal na. Especially, it's in the heart of the city. So, ito po pagpasok. At merong mga maleta ng aking mga kasama.
May mini ref sa loob ng cabinet.
Oh, may mini ref.
Funiki.
Funiki. Funiki. Ang pangit ng pangalan. Funiki. Baka need isaksak. And may extra comforter. Is that comforter? But I don't wanna use it.
Same.
And then, may ano dito, drawer. Drawer bang tawag dito? Or cabinet? Cabinet. Drawer yung ginaganon,
Yeah.
no? Parang pinupul. And may dalawang kama. This is for 4 persons. And there's the aircon. Nag-dips dito si Ate Andy kasi may saksakan daw. And lamigin siya. At least nasa ilalim siya ng aircon. And we have here the window. Window? Check nga natin yung window. Ay, walang view. Okay. Mas mahal kasi pag may view, guys. Pag may balcony. It's okay kasi matutulog lang naman tayo. Diba? So, it's a really nice, comfortable room. So, ito, okay na rin yung CR. Hindi siya as sa bongga ng mga CR natin na nakukuha sa ibang bansa na mga accommodation. Pero okay na rin. It serves its purpose. Okay? And may TV. And then, May mga pictures ng, I think that's the train street. Yes, train street na talagang pinupush ng government na isara dahil delikado. Pero yung mga tourists, of course, gustong-gusto pa rin pumunta dyan. So, may mga turista pa rin nagpupunta dyan, napapanood ko sa mga vlogs. Lagot kayo, guys. Lagot tayo. Pupunta tayo doon. Ayan. Sige. May wifi din pala dito. So, nakapag-upload ako ng vlog, guys. Ngayon, freshen up muna kami. So, guys, dahil nasa Vietnam tayo, nag-book tayo ng activity sa Klook. Iko-comment down ko yung link sa baba. Yung mga Halong Bay, ganyan, na pwede nyong mabook. Halong Bay day trip. Tapos, pwede yung gamitin yung promo code ko, DaveGino, for 5% off promo code. Central, Sonata Central. Yung password, toot! Siyempre, kinat ko yung password, guys. Sonata. Okay, papasok kami ngayon sa elevator. I think mag-automatic siya.
So, ito try ba natin ito? Kayo.
Sige, tara Ate Andy. For 2.
Sure ka.
Ayun, namatay na yung ilaw sa loob. Nag-automatic talaga siya. Experience!
Oh my gosh. Napakatamad maglakad siya.
Gutom na ako.
Ang cute naman.
Alright. Sasalubong kaya sa atin sila Claude Lily. Wala. Nasaan kayo? Oh, ayun. Ang layo. So, ito. May restaurant dito sa baba. I mean, kainan. Nakalimutan ko kung kasama yung breakfast dito eh. Doon. So, this is outside of our accommodation. This is the old quarter. Paglabas ng hotel, dami ng kainan. Daming souvenir shops, and daming motor. Oh my gosh, daming tao. Happy Saturday! Alright, nag-traffic na po dahil sa kariton ng basura. Right tayo. Kasi ito sa gitna yung pinakamaraming tao. Let's go, let's go. Oops.
Hello.
Okay, the convenience store experience, Circle K. Dito na lang sa hotel gagawa ng Soju Yakult. Okay. May pa-breakfast dito, guys. Hanggang 10 a.m. Hello, it's our last day here, Ate Andy. How do you find our accommodation so far? Maybe this hotel, kasi for sure may mga friends tayo dyan magtatanong kung saan hotel. So this is Sonata Central Hotel in Old Quarter. How do you find it? Our location? Feeling mo kung nasaan tayo ngayon is perfect?
Location, okay naman. Malapit siya sa a lot of things. Hotel mismo, sakto lang for how much we paid for it.
Nasa 1.7 to 1.8 per night. 4 na tayo. Sulit yun.
Ako, sakto lang.
Sakto lang.
Like,
sige, pan natin.
banyo-wise. And
Ito na
hindi
kasi mas
sila
maganda.
napapalit ng sheets, pinafold lang nila.
Hindi sa babad ng sheets, pinafold lang.
Fold lang nila. Tapos yung mga towels nila, mamamatay na. Pero okay naman. For the price.
For the price. The location, it's perfect. Yung location nito, lapit siya sa Beer Street. Basta, it's in the heart of Old Quarter. So kung may mga tour, sinusundo na lang kami dito ng bus. Kasi ganun siya parang convenient yung location ng hotel na to. It's inside the Old Quarter. Kung nasan din yung ibang tourists. Ikaw, Lily, you love it?
I'm gonna echo Ate Andy's sentiment.
Okay.
It's sakto for the price.
this hotel.
And parang, I mean, you know, you expect the rooms are small, but parang for 4 of us, it's kind of small.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Sige, yun lang. At least naka 1 minute na tayo. Alright, so this is our accommodation in the heart of Old Quarters. Sonata Premier Hotel, it's bang nakalagay dyan. Pero sa Agoda namin na-book. Sonata Central Hotel and Spa. Here in Hanoi. Hope guys, naging helpful itong vlog na to para malaman nyo kung saan kayo pwede magstay in Hanoi. So definitely, it's in the Old Quarter. Kung napanood yung iba kong vlogs, makikita nyo naman kung gaano ka umaatikabo and kung gaano ka daming shops around, foods around dito sa Old Quarter. So ayan, may dumaan sa atin. So this is very, may dumaan sa tabi natin. So this is very Hanoi. This is very Vietnam, itong Old Quarter. May authentic Vietnamese feels dito sa area. And guys, i-comment ko sa baba yung mga links to the activities na ginawa namin. Siyempre sa Kuripot, mas makakatipid tayo online. And finally, may promo code Dave Gino for 5% off para mas makatipid kayo sa inyong bookings. And kung may bago mang promo code, i-comment ko din sa baba. Okay? So this is Dave again, the Kuripot Traveler on Facebook. And guys, let's live our best life. Bye-bye!